Now how to you can become a fluent speaker, because of I have a real experiment from the my experience. Like, hello everybody, hopefully all of you having amazing day. It's me Mehdi, hopefully all of you recognize me, and basically today I'm gonna talk about how to become a fluent speaker. So this is my brand new video, so welcome to my brand new video. And if you're new over here, so please make subscribe to my channel and thumbs up my videos. And this video gonna be very interesting for you and also your family member which wanna be learning English and which wanna be very fluent speaker in English. So basically today I thought I'd make a video about the how to become a fluent speaker. So that's why I didn't take any suggestion from anywhere. So I just thought I'll make a video about the fluent speaker, how I was become a fluent speaker. So that's why I just think about I'll make a video. Just I'm opening my camera. I was open my camera and I'm speaking in front of the camera. So basically if you want to be fluent speaker, so what kind of thing you have to follow every day. So like before, like as I follow some instruction, that is I know how to you can become a fluent speaker, because of I have a real experiment from the my experience, like when I was very weak in English. So how to become a fluent speaker in English. So in this every like suggestion I will give always, and you have to comment on my video link below, and like in the comment box I will always make about English related video. So basically how do you become a fluent speaker. So there have four it's my experiments and my like myself. I will give you some instruction for myself. That is the number one thing is reading. When you reading every day half an hour, like minimum 10 minutes every day you have to reading your books, English books. So after that you can speak. The first thing is alphabet is very important for English. And if you correctly like our alphabet is so many problems, so if you learn correctly learn your alphabet, so after that you can speak your like reading, and your pronunciation will be very very clear, and also your pronunciation will be very very nice. So after that, and like your pronunciation will be very nice, and like how do I can explain that your pronunciation will be very clear. So after that you can your speaking will be very clear, and people's understand you become a fluent speaker. The number alphabet is very important. Number two is reading. You have to read every day minimum half an hour, and you have to speak very fast. So after that your mouth will be very fasting. Your mouth will be work every day. If you reading books, so your mouth will be very fast. So like when you will like after that when you will speaking, so then in the after that you can speak very fast, like when you every day if you follow reading. Then number three is practicing. If you practice every day, like about your if you like if you always if you make a introduction about yourself, so after that like you have to practice about your with yourself. Like you can like my name is Mediasan. As I was follow my name is Mediasan, I'm from Chatpur. I didn't work like I am my family member is for, and like your introduction, as you can make your about your introduction. So after that you have to every day speak. If you do mistake, it doesn't matter, no problem, but you have to practice as you can say in with your mouth, no problem, but it must to be English letter. Okay, if you like every day practice with the like English some like reading and about your introduction. So after that you can speak something well. Then the phone number is continue practice is very important. And also like if you continue practice every day with yourself and with me or with videos with like and you have to watch how to the native speaker speak in the videos. So and if you if you every day follow them, like how to they're speaking in front of the camera and how to they're speaking like, and you become a like him, like I'm speaking in front of the camera, so yeah, you want to be like me, so you have to follow like how I'm speaking. So after that you can speak, you can like speak more than better when you feel, when you try to with me. That's it. So like sometime I was stopped on this video, but like there are many reasons, because of I wasn't think about any more like I didn't written everything's about how to become a fluent speaker. So I just open the camera and I'm speaking in front of the camera, and I'm just thinking what exactly I'm doing, sorry, what exactly I did when I was weak in English, and like when I was become a fluent speaker, what kind of thing I was follow every day. So I was just share with all of you my experiment, and if you new, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you watch the full video, so please comment me and just say it here, and see you soon next time, next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.